Has she left, cheated, filed for divorce, or gone cold, trying to win her back without begging, chasing, or making things worse? Well, I've got something for you. I help men in your exact shoes build a comeback plan that reboosts trust, resets attraction, and gives their wife a reason to lean back in, even if she's already packed her bags. Many of the men I work with are Catholic husbands, men who never thought this could happen in a sacramental marriage. But it happens way more than you think. Many Catholic men fail to realize one important factor, that this battle is not between him and his beloved, but between him and the evil one. And it's his duty to fight for her, not sit in a corner, but come out battling. This is the mark of authentic masculinity that Christ showed us. And if I offer to help you build your exact comeback plan, step by step, in the next 48 hours, so you could finally stop guessing and start doing what actually works, would you want my help? If that's you, click the link and book your brother-to-brother reset session. This is not a therapy call. This is a get battle ready call to greatness. You'll walk away knowing exactly what your next move is and stop the spiral before any more damage can be done. Only question left is, will you answer the call or sit on the sideline and allow Satan to steal what is rightfully yours in the eyes of God? Bam!